Hello and welcome back to Model Maker Dave's workshop. Today is Honda update time. So what have I been up to? Well, I bring everything in slowly. The engine is now together and I've painted. It looks rather good, methinks. I've used... what did I use? Where is it? I used the bright silver candy base with jet engine exhaust over it, just to give it a bit of a metal look. If I can find it. There we go, there it is. So we've got that over the top of that, sprayed lightly several times, and yeah, I think it's looking nice. I don't think I've missed any bits. So yeah, that's what I've done on the engine. As I've been told, these are part of the tins, the metal bits. Tank is together. The seam line is, although you can see it because of where the filler is, you can't actually feel anything. So pat on the back for me. I've done a good job. The other thing I have done is I put a couple of extra little bits of plastic in, not for any other reason, and just to give it a little bit more for the glue to grip onto, just so that it makes a proper good join. So that's the tank and the side bits. Here's the front mudguard, and the same again, there is no seam line and you can't even feel it, so yeah, happy with that. And again, put some thin plastic in, not for any other reason than just to give the glue a little bit more to bite onto, and to give a slightly stronger joint. So I'm hoping that the tyre doesn't rub on that. He says. Right. No progress on the saddle. What I was thinking of doing, I've not really thought of anymore for bringing out the pattern here. Still very much on the drawing board. I think it could probably stay on the drawing board for a little bit longer, because I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, back on the drawing board. The chain and mudguard have been sprayed. I've had to put some filler along the top, and by the looks of things I'm going to have another go, because I spy a seam line, or I spy a gap anyway. So yeah, so we'll have to do that one again. What else? Oh yes, I've done the exhaust as well. Oh, hang on, go away you. Right, now I've done the exhaust. I'm going to do it again because it's not quite as shiny as I would like it to be. So there's going to be another spray session during the week to bring this up, and I might go over this seam line again, just to, and here as well, just to bring them in a bit. But otherwise, very pleased. This on this I've done again. I've used the candy silver base, and I've gone over it with stainless steel. So I'm going to go over it again in the week and see where we get to on that one. So that's the exhaust. So everything is coming along very nicely. And I have done the wheels. I've had a really good time. Sorry, bad pun. Oh well, never mind. Had to get in sooner or later. I've done these with, what did I do? White aluminium. But the centre pieces, I've got some sort of an idea of doing something a little bit different. It all depends on how good my masking skills are going to be. So there's a challenge, if I've ever heard of one. So that's all of the update for the Honda, and I will continue to do some more of that in the week, and I will do another update next weekend. Alright, so I will see you in the next one.